Good evening, everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel, J. Kirna. So, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about some Indian cities and their nicknames. Okay. So, basically, this is the second part of the previous one. So, let's get started. This is about me. My name is Janaki Sharan. First one is the land of black diamond. Before going to the location, we need to know about the black diamond. So, coal is known as the black diamond, and Asansol, which is located in the state of West Bengal, is known as the land of black diamond. Also, this city is known as the city of brotherhood. This city is called so because it is an industrial state and coals and minerals comes from this state. That's why this is called so. So next one is the city of destiny or Goa of East. Visakhapatnam, which is located in the state of Andhra Pradesh, is known as the Goa of the East or City of Destiny because of its landscaping view and very attractive beaches. It is called as City of Destiny, and it is known as Goa of the East because this city is surrounded by the Eastern Ghats and faces Bay of Bengal on the east. So, this city is named after the Visakha, which is the Hindu god of valor. Next one is the city of pearls. Hyderabad, which is located in the state of Telangana, is called as the city of pearls because because of its booming pearls processing and trading industry that has been supplying the finest of pearl jewelry to India and the rest of the world for more than 400 years. That's why this is called so. Next one is the Queen of Arabian Sea. Kochi is called as the Queen of Arabian Sea, and this city is located in the state of Kerala. This is called so because it was an important trade center for spices on the western coast of India from 14th century. Okay. Next one is the city of spices. Calicut is called as the city of spices because because of its role as the major trading point of eastern spices. Next one is the gold capital of India. Thrissur is known as the gold capital of India because around rupees 700 crore business of gold every year in the city is going on. So, because of this reason, this is called as the gold capital of India. Cashew capital of India, Kollam, which is also located in the state of Kerala, is known as the cashew capital of the world, as more than 600 cashew processing units in Kollam is located with about 8 lakhs tons of raw cashew imported annually to this city. So for this reason this city is called so. Next one is the city of festival of or Athens of East. Madurai, which is located in the state of Tamil Nadu, this is called so because in this city the different types of festivals celebrated like Meenakshi Tirukalyanam, a 10-day annual festival celebrated in this city in April, May. Okay, and next one is the Jallikattu is also celebrated, and as well as Pongal, a 3-day festival of the uh, principal festival. This is the principal festival of Madurai city, and this is the harvest festival, Thanksgiving festival. Okay, so because of these different type of festivals celebrated in this city is called city of festivals. Next one is the gateway of South India. Chennai is called so because 60% of country's automotive exports undergoes through this city, the city of Chennai. And this city is also known as the Detroit of South Asia. Okay. Next one is the Manchester of South India. Coimbatore is known as the Manchester of India because of the popularity of textile industry in this city, and this city is located in the state of Tamil Nadu. Okay. Next one is the Paris of the East. Puducherry or Pondicherry is called as the Parish of the East due to the fact that the portion of its territory is still a replica of French tradition and culture. So that's why this city is called as the Parish of the East. Next one is the Switzerland of India. Kashmir, which is located in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, is known as the Switzerland of India because of the scenery. This is the Kashmir city is carrying. Okay, so that's why this city is called as the Switzerland of India. Next one is the Steel City of India or Pittsburgh of India. As we know, Pittsburgh is a city which is famous for the steel production. So in India, is the Jamshedpur is known as the steel city because Jamshedpur produces the maximum or um, almost 90% of the steel and iron which is meeting the demand of India as well as the outside of India is produces from this city. So that's why this city is called as the Steel City of India as well as Pittsburgh of India. Next one is the Temple City of India. So Bhubaneswar, which is the capital city of Odisha, and as well as and this city is Bhubaneswar city is called as the Temple City of India because the different types of temples located in this city. So that's why this city is called as the Temple City of India. Next one is the Silver City, Cuttack, also located in the Odisha state. This city is also called as the judicial capital of Odisha because the Odisha High Court is located in this city. Okay, and this city is called so due to its history of 1000 years and famous silver fil- filigree works. Next is Scotland of Asia, Shillong, which is the capital as well as located in the state of Meghalaya, is called as the Scotland of East. Okay, because of its landscape as well as its educational institutions and heritage buildings, it is having. So that's why this is called so. Next and the last one, this is Golden City of India. Amritsar, which is located in the state of Punjab, is called as the Golden City of India because the Golden Temple, which is the holiest shrine of the Sikhs, is located in the city. That's why this city is called so. So this was all about today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, JK Rina. Thank you.